Hi, welcome to the FuseNet Tools workshop. This is the installation of the GeoCLIM. We're going to install the GeoCLIM 1.2.1b. This is a testing version, but this is the last version that we have right now. So in the next few slides, we're going to take a look at how to download the new installation file. That will be for all users. There are some of you that already have the GeoCLIM, the previous version. So we're gonna go over how to install the new version in your computers. And then for those of you that don't have the GeoCLIM, then we're going to install it from scratch. So let's take a look then. So all users must download the installation file. This is the GeoCLIM 1.2.1b, either in the description of this video or in the PDF you will find the link. So now let's install GeoCLIM for existing users. First, let's change the working directory. So let's go to File, Workspace Settings, and you see my working space is in C all the way to Documents. So now I want to put it in just C, and that's all I need to do. Or if you want to put it on D or any other drive. So it gives you a message that the working directory is going to be moved, and now in my C drive there is a GeoCLIM directory right there. Right, so we say OK, and it's updated. So there are a couple of reasons why we want to change the workspace or the working directory. Sometimes the C drive gets full with all the data that we produce using the GeoCLIM. So it would be better to put this working directory in another drive. The other reason is because when we install a new version of the GeoCLIM, if we have the working directory in the default path, this directory will be replaced once the new version of the GeoCLIM is installed. So then we lose all the data that we have downloaded, all the maps that we have made. So if we have the working directory in a separate drive, then we'll see that we just connect the new version of the GeoCLIM to that directory, and it would be just seamless. Now my work space is in the C drive, but it's still in Documents. There is also a GeoCLIM, and this directory right here has all the program files. So we don't want to mess with this directory right here. All that we need to do is gonna be in the new working directory that is in the C drive. Okay, so now we are going to uninstall this. So we come here, find GeoCLIM, uninstall, then we're gonna remove completely. So now we're gonna finish. Then let's go to Documents, to where the GeoCLIM directory is with the program files, and we're going to delete that directory. Gone. So now we only have our working directory in the C drive. Let's now install the new version. I have the installable right here, so just follow the instructions. Let's pause this. So ready, done. So now the new version of the GeoCLIM is installed. So now let's take a look. Let's open it. So now when he opens, we select this, the first two in this geographic area, and select the region. We select the first two, and now it's telling us where the working space is. If we want to leave it the default location, and here is where we browse to the workspace that we changed before. So it's good. So that way it reads all our data. So make sure that you select just the C drive. Don't select the GeoCLIM down here. The workspace is in the C drive. So we just select the C drive right there, and is going to connect the new version of the GeoCLIM to the workspace. Done. So here is asking us if we want to download data or import data, and so we take a look. You can cancel here, and in the manual, then we say how to download. We explain how to download or how to import data, and on the next videos we will go over this. So now we have the new version of the GeoCLIM installed, and is the same process for the beginners. So just download this file, double click on it, and follow the instructions just as we showed before, and you can change the directory if you want, or we change it during the workshop. So please let me know if you have any questions, and we'll make sure that it's going to be running before the workshop. Thanks.